Все, we're going down. Плавно идет. Такая высота. И так быстро идет сюда. Вау. Like we're flying in the air. Обалдеть. Как быстро идет, а? Oh, we're going. Oh, wait. I gotta take a picture of the lady and the dog. Yes.
So there's actually, it is not question and answer period, ladies and gentlemen. So truth be told, there's an actual charge for jumping off a passenger vessel. It's called endangerment of a passenger vessel. It is a $10,000 fine. So you want to take a $10,000 swim? Be my guest. As we all reach the bottom, the secondary chamber also reaches the top, right?
You're saying something about picking up.
Все, внизу.
They're going to pull the pins, we're going to open the gate, we're going to lose a little water, essentially the 130 tons of brush from the top all the way down here to the bottom, and then we'll continue on our way. And you guys are going to love the next story about that.